Welcome back. You're watching the New Jersey Morning Show. I'm Mike Vetta, along with Dina DeLisa Gonzar in for Cara DeFalco. New Jersey-based healthcare company AmeriHealth recently partnered with Lark School to help the renovation of the school's library. Here to tell us more about this and other projects in the community is AmeriHealth's president, Diversified Markets, Mike Munoz. Welcome to the show.
Well, good morning, Dina and Mike. Thank you for having me today.
Good morning. And can you tell us a little bit more about AmeriHealth?
Sure. AmeriHealth has been in New Jersey well over 30 years at this point. We operate in all 21 counties. We insure just about 250,000 people in markets that we feel are the most local in nature, and that's the individual consumer market, the small group market, both fully insured and self-funded, and then the public entity market, which is school boards and municipalities. That makes up the bulk of the business that we operate in. Last year, we also went into Medicare in 7 counties in central and southern New Jersey. So that worked out really well for us as we expanded our Medicare offerings in the state to provide Medicare Advantage plans to seniors. So we're really excited about what that's brought to the company over the last year, and are looking forward to an extremely successful open enrollment this year also. So, we as an organization pride ourselves in being local and making sure that we're part of the communities that we serve on an ongoing basis. And Lark School is one of those initiatives that we've kind of taken on through our DE&I initiative to recognize individuals with disabilities.
And we'll talk more about the Lark School work in just a bit. But, like you had mentioned, providing back to the community in kind of that generous way. What other ways does AmeriHealth give back to the community?
Well, in addition to obviously financial support, we go out and support organizations that are local in the communities that we serve. And that's everything from working with the Special Olympics to working with Homefront, to working with the Lark School, and organizations that we feel are making an impact in those communities that we serve across the board. So, in addition to financial support, our associates are out there volunteering on an ongoing basis. One of the things we've learned as we came back from a work from home environment to a hybrid environment is that associates need to feel part of those communities, and they want to make sure that the company that they work for is committed to not only obviously doing what we do well in each of those segments that I mentioned earlier, but also the commitment to those communities that we are currently operating in.
So now tell us about your recent work with the Lark Schools and the renovation.
So the Lark School, we started working with, I'm going to say we've been working with them for a long, long time at this point. We are the presenting sponsor for the Cooper Norcross Run the Bridge in South Jersey. And through that initiative, we started working directly with the Lark School and trying to identify what needs they had that our associates could help out with. And that was anything from donating books to a book drive that we did with them initially, to trying to identify other potential ways that we as an organization can help them meet their goals. And one of those was creating a environment for children to be able to come into the library and not only feel good about being there because of the mural that was painted that we supported, but also because the mural is a mural that's interactive for those children, so they can go in there and anywhere from feeling the grass as they're reading the book, to ringing the bells that are there to give them the sounds of the animals that are within the painting that was developed by the artist that created it. So it's an interactive mural in the library that the children love interacting with.
Now, Mike, last question for you. How does volunteerism help define the culture at AmeriHealth?
Well, I think what we've tried to create is an environment where people enjoy coming to work, and part of that is that are they part of the communities that we're serving? And I think it's important to our associates. It's quite evident in the feedback that we get. One of the things that we've been able to do is been recognized as one of the best places to work for the last 13 years consecutively. And I think at the top of that list, in addition to obviously creating an environment where people enjoy being at, is also the commitment of the company to those communities that we serve on an ongoing basis.
Mark, where can we learn more information about AmeriHealth and its efforts?
Well, AmeriHealth is available online to AmeriHealthNJ.com. In addition to that, we work with brokers throughout the state that represent employers, and individuals can come directly through us via our 800 number. So there's a number of ways that people can get a hold of us. The easiest, obviously, is to go online and go onto AmeriHealth.com, and they will be able to access information on all our products, our commitment to the community, and everything they need to know about AmeriHealth.
Mike Nunez, SVP and President of Diversified Markets, AmeriHealth, thank you for being with us this morning.
Well, thank you guys for having me this morning. It was a pleasure.
That mural sounds really cool. I love how it has all the sensory components to it. That's really different.
It does. Yeah, and it's great to have that sense of community and volunteerism, to kind of connect the company with the community. Always important.
For sure. And coming up, we speak with New Jersey-based hip-hop talent agent about his new book.